I'm glad I'm not colorblind.
Hi guys, this is Jamie Rose singing Vegan Mum. How are you all going? So this is day 4, being at home, studying with the kids, and the demands are flowing and flowing and flowing. So the demand is they want homemade pizza, and they don't want the homemade pizza where I can make the pizza bread made out of just self-rising flour, which is really quick, or make the pizza bread out of just getting a bit of bread and putting tomato and cheese on top and putting it under the grill. No, they want the full-blown pizza bread made with yeast, where I've got to knead it, I've got to leave it for a little bit and all that kind of stuff. So my kids aren't easy. I'm going to make a homemade tomato vegan pizza, and then what do they want? They want apple pie. I'm not sure if I'm going to stretch to the pie. I'll make apple crumble maybe, but this is what's going on. These kids are demanding. So hey guys, let's get into it. Pizza and apple pie. I'm going to make my pizza dough, which is essentially bread like my mum made it. So I've slightly warmed up some soya milk, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of dried yeast, and I'm going to set that aside for it to do its thing. So I'm making my pizza bread with whole wheat flour, and what's so great about making bread is so simple. I'm just going to add some Himalayan sea salt, some extra virgin olive oil, not much, just a little bit. I'm simply going to add my yeast mixture to the flour. I'm going to mix it until it makes a lovely dough. Now I'm going to flour table, and I'm going to knead it for 5 minutes at least. This is the hard work. So actually I quite like kneading, but I just didn't expect to be doing this sort of thing. Then I'm going to leave it to prove for at least half an hour. And in that half an hour, I'll make the apple crumble or pie. I don't know. I'll see if I'm going to soften. He wants pie, but pie's a long thing. Get me? We've got pastry, another pastry thing. But no, it's going to be a crumble thing. I think crumble.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow.
I am peeling.
For the latest information, keep listening. Visit
Ocean deep, together we will always be. Our love is strong every day. Rain makes healthy, grassy picture plains. I am glad I'm not colorblind.
First of all, I'm going to put some butter. It's going to be crumble. My son wanted pie, but I'm not doing a pie and a pizza. It's all a bit much, and there's a lot of flour work. So that's it. That's for the crumble. Some brown sugar, and then just make it really crumbly. Some porridge oats. It's really nice porridge oats. Make it into crumble. So our apple crumble is ready, but before I put the crumble on top, I'm just going to squeeze a bit of lemon on my apple crumble, a little bit of water so that it will steam and cook the apple. And then now I'm just going to put my crumble on top of my apple, and the apple crumble will be ready soon.
What is that?
Apple crumble. Can we say
That looks like apple crumble.
Yeah, this is apple crumble, mate.
Are those chips?
No, it's apples, baby.
Mom, where's my sausages?
Oh, it's coming, baby. It's coming. So I'm just going to be, this is real cheating, right? So I've got some Pasata sauce. I'm just going to add some mixed herbs to it. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm not even joking. So I'm going to make my tomato sauce to make sure it's very tomatoey. I'm going to add some more tomato sauce to it. And I'm going to add, you put them in. You're having the same, the pizza with a sausage roll. Well, what are you going to have then, baby dear? Some Himalayan sea salt. Some basil. And I'm going to mix it, and this is literally going to be the base for my pizza for the boys. What? This is called a real quick thing. It's risen a little bit. So So I'm going to roll it out. My son likes it really thin. He likes his pizza base very thin. Ooh. Here's our pizza base. And now I'm just going to use our sauce. I'm just going to spread it all over. Now, my son doesn't like onions and all that sort of stuff, so it's literally going to be the tomato sauce and the cheese, isn't it, Kyan?
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't like fancy stuff. And now he likes lots and lots of cheese. This is vegan cheese. Kyan is putting the cheese on, isn't it, Kai?
Yeah.
He just likes loads of it.
Cheese.
It's a bit much. There, loads and loads of cheese. Are you going to put black pepper on it, Kai?
Yeah. Yeah, black pepper.
Alright.
Amazing.
You know how to do it? And Kyan is going to do his black pepper over his cheese and tomato pizza.
I love black pepper.
He's putting loads on. There, Kai. It's fireworks! So guys, the vegan pizza is ready. It's very plain, but this is exactly how my child likes it. I'm just about to dish out the apple crumble. I'm going to use some soya cream, and I've got some soya ice cream for the kiddie winks. And I'm just knackered. I'm just feeding them, teaching them stuff in the afternoon, homework, feeding. It's crazy. And then they're in the living room now because they've eaten, so they want to eat their dessert in the living room. And the TV is so loud. I'm going to have to get their ears checked. Are they deaf? Are they deaf? So guys, I hope you like my recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is what's happening at our house during this coronavirus pandemic.
Rainbow lover, come to me.